everybody, thank you so much for joining me for this video today. My name is Nicole and I'm a part-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark, and today I have a small Goodwill haul for you guys. Just a few items, but one of the items is a really awesome piece, so I'm really excited to show you guys. And I thought I would show you kind of just talk to you a little bit about my Goodwill and how my Goodwill works. And I do go to Goodwill at least once a week, sometimes twice. This week I actually went 2 times, and I'm actually really glad that I did, because the second time I went I found a really awesome item that I'm gonna save for the end, but it was, I paid up a little bit for it compared to what I would normally pay, but I think I'm gonna have a really great return on investment. Anyway, so first of all, like I said, I'm a part-time reseller. I do sell on eBay, Poshmark, like I said, but I also started selling on Depop as well as THREDUP. So if I'm planning on sending any of this into THREDUP, I'll let you know, but most of it I'll probably just be listing on my own. I have one item that I have to look over and just make sure there aren't any spots or anything, because it is a lighter colored jacket that I probably will send into THREDUP, because I've heard that this brand does really well on THREDUP. So let's get right into it. This is a pretty small haul, but I thought I would talk to you first about my Goodwill. Like I said, I go there at least once a week. I try to wait at least a week before I go the next time, because I live in a small town and I feel that they don't really go through enough inventory that it's worth me going that frequently. So I usually try to go either Monday or Tuesday or Fridays after work. So I usually go after work. I work till about 3 o'clock, and then I'm off. And my Goodwill is, I would say, 5 minutes from my house, 5 minutes from my work. It is really close. But I do live in a very small town. I do not live in a large town whatsoever. I don't know if there's 10,000 people in my town. There might be 10,000, but I don't think there's anything more than 10,000. And I live in town, so I don't live that far from Goodwill. And my Goodwill has like a color tag of the week. So whenever I go, I want to go a little bit earlier in the week. So like Tuesday is kind of prime for me to go on Tuesdays. But if I don't get a chance to on Tuesdays, like this next week, I won't be able to go on Tuesday because I work at a food pantry on Monday, and usually on Tuesday, I want to spend at home, because I spend the evenings gone on Monday nights. I'm gone for the food pantry I work at. So it's just once a month, but I'll probably go on Friday next week. But my Goodwill has a color tag of the week, and each week it's different. So like one week it might be green, one week it might be purple. And on Sunday is when they change to the next color. So if I went on Sundays, which I rarely go on Sundays because I have church on Sundays, and my husband is a youth pastor, and he's also the media guy and everything. And we're usually at church, I would say 4 to 5 hours. And afterwards we want to get lunch, and we kind of spend Sundays just together. So, and just relaxing at home together. We usually take a nap and stuff, but you guys don't care about that. But anyway, so usually Sundays I don't go, but I do like to go earlier in the week, because if you go too late in the week, you might not find the color tag that's 50% off. I have to say though, I find a lot of the stuff that I find for reselling is 50% off. But I would say the lowest I generally pay for a piece at my Goodwill is $2.50. Most of the items at my Goodwill are at least $4.99. Some are more. A lot of the tops are $4.99, $5.99, depending on what they are. Sweaters, they usually mark up to $6.99 to $8.99. So I definitely have to pay up a little bit for some stuff. And you kind of see that with the prices of the stuff that I picked up to show you guys today. But I try to go early in the week, because that's when I'm probably going to find the most color tags that are 50% off. So I do generally like to look for purses. That's usually the first area that I go to. I usually will find a few. I'm really into vintage Y2K, 90s style purses right now. And so I've been listing those kinds of things. I don't do fantastic with purses, but then it'll be like one week I'll sell 2 or 3 purses. So I do pick them up. Some purses you can't get a lot for, but other ones you can get really good prices for. I found Bagley Mishka, I think I found at my Goodwill once, and I made a really good profit on that one. So anyway, let's get right into the haul. I have a couple of fun things kind of to show you. The first thing I wanted to show you is I want to talk to you guys about why I got these. These are a pair of just Jessica Simpson pink pants. They were green, which is 50% off, so they were $3.50. But this is actually for my Halloween costume this year. We have a big party, we call it a Hallelujah party at my church on Halloween, and this year my husband and I we always dress up as like a pair, like a couple, and he is going to be Marty McFly and I'm going to be his girlfriend. Basically, I don't even know what her name is, but I needed these for the costume, so I really like Y2K stuff. I've been selling stuff that I would consider to be like 2000s, late 90s items, and that's why I picked this up. This is not a brand, anything I would normally pick up. This is solely because of the style and what's selling right now. It is kind of like a see-through pullover. This is something I would have worn when I was younger. And green tag was the color that was 50% off. So this one was only $2.50, which was awesome. Okay, so I got that. I only got a few things, but I think I spent like $40 maybe. This is Soft Surroundings. I do like Soft Surroundings. It doesn't sell as well as it used to, but it's such a nice brand that I almost always pick it up. It's kind of like a pink, and it's got pockets. It's longer. It was $4.99, but that's really not bad to me. I'm pretty sure I can sell this for $25 or more. Okay. The next item, I actually was surprised that I didn't see this before because, I mean, maybe it wasn't out, but I was there last week, late in the week, maybe Friday. Yeah, it was probably Friday. And I found quite a few things, and I'm very thorough when I shop at Goodwill, especially the one in my area, because there isn't a ton of stuff. There's not like tons and tons of racks. I basically almost look at everything in the small and mediums. I know I should look more in the larger sizes, but in my area, I usually don't find great brands in the larger sizes, very rarely, so I don't hardly ever look in the larger sizes, but I usually look at least in the, you know, the smalls, mediums, and like half of the largest usually, but I just never find good brands for those sizes, so I generally don't spend the time. I usually look at pants, coats, bras, like the intimates area is very small at my Goodwill, and dresses. But this was actually in, I think it was in the medium section, and it is this really beautiful high neck white top. You might recognize it because it is Free People. Sorry if you can hear my washer going off. I just washed a load of laundry. So I picked that up. It was a pink tag, which is not 50% off, and it was $6.99. So I definitely paid up for this, but I really think it's just so cute, and if I style it right, I have been trying to do a little more modeling. My Poshmark closet, honestly, I don't really model anything for eBay. My Poshmark closet is just a mishmash of modeled, mannequin, hanging, a few flat lays from a long time ago. I know a lot of people like to make their closet very uniform, and I would really like to do that, but I've changed things back and forth a few times because people say if you model items, they sell better, but I don't want to model everything. Never everything fits me right. And I think for me, like modeling pieces that are higher dollar amounts or that do not photograph well on a hanger, in my opinion, I think that that's kind of what I'm trying to do. If I think that it's like really, really cool on, like it looks really awesome styled, then I'll style it. But generally, I do a hanger, right? I rarely ever style. I might style that though, because I think I would probably get a little more out of it if I did style it. But yeah. Okay, so I think this is the second to last piece. So this is a small haul. It's kind of more chit chat with you guys, but this I'm going to send into THREDUP. I have one box waiting to ship out that I still haven't shipped out, that I need to ship out. That's all ready. I even have printed off the label. I just have to take it to FedEx and ship it off, okay? So I'm gonna put together one more box because I have had a few items that I didn't get in that box that I want to send to them. And this is one of them. I like to watch Nikki's beauty buys. She's got a really fun channel. She has a lot of THREDUP stuff, and she's talked about this brand multiple times. So I picked it up, and the brand is called London Fog. I don't know if this is an older tag, but this is a tag, and I see London Fog all the time at my Goodwill. This is a really beautiful, not quite full-length trench coat. I have to look over it because there might be some spots. It honestly looks really good. It says it's a size 16 petite, which I think is going to be a fantastic size to send into THREDUP. But, you know, it doesn't look that big to me. I don't know. Kind of concerned if I sell it on there. I know these can go for over 100 on THREDUP. It's just really beautiful, though. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so green tag was 50% off, so I paid $7.50. So I kind of feel like I paid up for it, but it's a coat, and if it doesn't sell on THREDUP, I'm sure I can sell it. I really should look up comps on eBay and see what they go for on eBay, because it might be better for me to put it on there. I don't know. But yeah, she said that that London Fog sells really well for her, and I thought I would try it. I find it all the time, and I never pick it up because it seemed like an old brand, you know, but that jacket is really nice. It's got like this nice thick lining, like a fur lining that you can, pretty sure you can take out. Yeah, you can zip it out, so it could be a lighter jacket or a heavier jacket. Anyway, that's awesome. Okay, so the piece that I'm super excited, okay, so you know, this is a small haul, but the piece I'm so excited, I'm so glad that I went in and got this. As soon as I saw it, I was like, that's interesting, and then I looked at the tag, and I was like, ah! Okay, so it is this dress, and it's got like cutout kind of, so it's like slits, and the top is a tank. It looks to be in excellent condition. You tie it in the front, and it's by Philip Leem. I don't know how you say it. It's brand new with tags. And I looked this up. I don't think, well, you know it's fancy when one of the tags is cloth, right? It's got it looks like it has a button, original button or something. It still has the name of the item. Oh wow, it's got the original tag on here. It's got the original price tag. Okay, I'm being crazy. I'm being silly. It's called the Muscle Tee Combo Sateen Dress, white and olive. I'm so happy this has the price tag on it, because if I send this into THREDUP, they'll probably price it at $550. Okay, I don't know if I've ever done that on my videos. Anyway, $550. This retailed for $550. I looked on Philip Leem's website. I don't know if I'm even saying that right. I'm not a designer, right? And it's sold out. It's sold out. It is selling, I think they have some on Shopbop or something. I don't know. And List. So one had it listed for like $269, one had it listed for $498 or something. But $550, that is so awesome. And it's brand new with tags. I do not know where this came from, because my Goodwill does not get this kind of stuff in it. One of the things I think I got that was like one of the highest dollar items I found at my Goodwill before was like an Alice and Olivia new tag jumpsuit or something like that. But I don't find stuff that's this expensive, like retail and new tags. I rarely do. So I'm so glad I went in. I can easily find stock photos of this online, which I probably will put like as a second or third picture in my listing just so people can see how it looks. But yeah, I'm so excited. Yay! I'm so excited. So you guys should let me know in the comment section what's like the most like expensive thing that you guys have found at your Goodwill or at your thrift store. Maybe what the most expensive thing that you've sold online. I would love to hear that, because I'm always learning. I'm always learning brands. I think maybe I found his brand like one time, but it was like a Target collaboration or something. So I don't think it sold for very much. If it did sell, I don't even know. But yeah, I'm so excited. Yay. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for joining me for this video. Please do not forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, so I know that you want to hear see this kind of content. I I have been posting more ThREDUP videos because that's kind of a new thing for me, and I want to try it out, and I want to kind of inform people on how it's going and everything like that. So hopefully you guys like this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content from me. I do post what sold videos, hauls, thrift with me, tips and tricks types videos, that kind of stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you later.